Hey there, space enthusiasts and thrill seekers. Welcome back to the Wormhole Files, where we dive into the most jaw-dropping, mind-bending, and downright terrifying aspects of our universe. Space is often portrayed as a realm of wonder and exploration, but lurking in the cosmos are some truly chilling phenomena that will make you think twice about venturing beyond our planet. Buckle up as we count down the top 10 scariest things in space, the ultimate cosmic horror show. Black holes. At number 10, we have black holes. These cosmic monsters are so dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. Imagine a point in space where gravity becomes infinitely strong and the laws of physics break down. Venture too close and you'll be pulled into the abyss, disappearing forever past the event horizon. With supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, the thought of these cosmic beasts wandering through space is nothing short of terrifying. Gamma ray bursts. Coming in at number 9, we have gamma ray bursts, the most explosive events in the universe. These bursts can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun does in its entire lifetime. Though rare, a nearby gamma ray burst could be devastating, potentially triggering mass extinctions and sending shockwaves through the fabric of space-time. Imagine witnessing an explosion so intense it could briefly outshine an entire galaxy. Supernova. Number 8 is the spectacular death throes of a star, supernovae. When massive stars explode, they shine brighter than entire galaxies for a brief period and scatter elements essential for new stars and planets. But their sheer power is staggering, and a nearby supernova could have severe consequences for Earth's climate and environment. It's an astronomical fireworks show with potentially catastrophic effects. Dark matter and dark energy. At number 7, we venture into the realm of the unknown with dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious forces make up 95% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about them. Dark matter's gravitational effects are undeniable, but its true nature remains a puzzle. Dark energy, on the other hand, is driving the universe's accelerated expansion. The fact that we're stumbling around in the dark, trying to understand these cosmic entities, is both awe-inspiring and unsettling. Coronal mass ejections. Number 6 brings us closer to home with coronal mass ejections, otherwise known as CMEs. These massive bursts of solar, wind, and magnetic fields can wreak havoc on Earth's technology. From disrupting satellites to causing widespread power outages, a large CME could plunge us into chaos. The 1859 Carrington event showed just how vulnerable we are to these solar outbursts, and modern technology might not fare any better. The Great Attractor. At number 5, we encounter the Great Attractor, a massive gravitational anomaly at the heart of the Laniakea supercluster. It's pulling entire galaxies, including our Milky Way, toward it with a force we can barely comprehend. We can't even see it clearly because it's obscured by our galaxy, making it a shadowy and unsettling force influencing cosmic motion. Rogue planets. Number 4 takes us to rogue planets, lonely worlds drifting through the interstellar void. Ejected from their original star systems, these planets roam freely through space, with billions potentially lurking in our galaxy. The thought of encountering one of these cosmic nomads is both fascinating and eerie. What secrets might these isolated planets hold? Untethered spacewalks. At number 3, we face the peril of untethered spacewalks. Normally, astronauts are secured to their spacecraft, but imagine floating in space with no safety tether. Any equipment failure or miscalculation could send you drifting away into the cold, dark void with no hope of rescue. The mere thought of this scenario is a chilling reminder of the vast emptiness surrounding us. Meteors. Number 2 brings us to meteors, those smaller cosmic travelers that can cause big problems. While not as destructive as asteroids, meteors can still create powerful explosions and shockwaves. The Chelyabinsk meteor of 2013 showed us how even a small meteor can wreak havoc, causing injuries and damage. The unpredictability of meteors keeps us on edge, wondering when the next one might strike. Dark nebulas. And finally, at number 1, we delve into dark nebulas. These dense clouds of gas and dust block out the light from stars and galaxies beyond, creating vast, opaque regions in space. The darkness conceals whatever might be hiding within, adding an air of mystery and unease to these cosmic structures. What lies hidden in the obscure depths of these dark clouds? There you have it, our top 10 scariest things in space. The universe is full of awe and wonder, but it also holds dark and unsettling mysteries that remind us of how little we truly know. If you enjoyed this cosmic horror tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Wormhole Files content. Thanks for watching, and keep your curiosity alive as we continue to explore the vast, mysterious cosmos.